It's summer and it's time for salad, and today we're going to be talking about dressings. Now, a pet peeve of all of us at Cook for Your Life are store-bought dressings, because really dressings are the easiest thing in the world to make. You only need 3 basic ingredients. You need olive oil, an acid like vinegar or citrus, and some salt. That's the base of pretty much all of them. And really, with those 3 ingredients, as you know, if you look and learn with us, you can use those in a ton of other dishes as well. Whereas the salad dressing in your fridge door, not so much. That's why it has no real estate in my fridge door. Just olive oil and vinegar is what you'll find there, and lemons, of course. So we're going to make some creamy dressings which use Greek yogurt to give that creaminess that we all kind of crave, like in the Caesar salad. This is an eggless Caesar salad. And also we have the most divine healthy ranch dressing. It's a Cook for Your Life favorite, and it really is totally delicious. Then we're going to do a really light dressing that's very citrusy, and it's citrus vinaigrette with pink peppercorns. Now, the pink peppercorns are soft, and so they can just, burst in your mouth. They're really delicious. And the acidity in the dressing is great with grain salads, as well as just simple green salads. Makes a lettuce salad really special. And last but not least, I'm going to be doing a classic French mustard vinaigrette. And this you can use for almost anything, from crunchy green salad greens to potatoes to tossing it on steamed vegetables if you're on a neutropenic diet, anything. So look and learn.